Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Chris Designs. Okay, so we all know that I just recently launched a effect called the liquid glass effect, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can achieve this. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started. Welcome back. Okay, so let's proceed. So the first thing you're gonna need is a frame. You can make use of a iPhone 13 mini. Yeah, let's put this down here, and we need a background image. You can just drag this. Don't worry about getting the image. The resources will be available at the description. Okay, so the next we need to do is to draw a frame again inside, and the width I used was 336. Okay, and the height was about 140. Yeah, so just center that. I don't think you can see that. Let's add a fill and make it about 1. Okay, give it a border radius of 32. You can't see that. Now let's add a stroke. Okay, you can see the shape, right? So next thing we need to do is to give this stroke a kind of a unique feel, like around the edges. You can make use of linear in color and give it an angular, and we add extra 2 layers on that, and we use a hex code of EE. Okay, and we spread that across each. Okay, make the first one 25%. Okay, and turn the opacity of this to 0 and the opacity of the last to 0 as well. Okay, so one more thing we need to do for our stroke is to make it at an angle of, let's say, 15. Okay, now we could see like those edges, right? And let's give it a blend of, let's say, plus lighter. Yeah, so it will be more lighter, right? Yeah, so next we need to do is to add effects, and we'll be adding a inner shadow. Okay, one let's leave it at 4 and make this, let's say, 14. Okay, I'll add that inner shadow again, but this time in reverse. Okay, that should be -1. Let's just increase the blur to 6 this time, and let's change the color to white. Okay, and let's make it a 16 opacity. I don't know if you could see this. Let me drag it down a little. Okay, you'll see some little effect around it. Okay, so next to do is to draw a rectangle inside our frame, right? Ensure you extend it beyond the width and height of our main frame, right? And you reduce the opacity to about 2%, and we add effect um, of background blur. Let's give it a 6. Okay, and we also add another effect of texture. um, let's say 100 here, and a radius of, let's say, 20. Okay, already you can start seeing our liquid glass has been formed. Okay, yeah. So that's that about the liquid glass. So just to complete this, we could drag this, right? Drag the status bar and kind of align it properly, and drag the bottom as well. Let's say we give it a space, and the contents, drag it in. Yeah, so there we have it. We have our liquid glass effect. So thank you for your time. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.